Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge, just to show you this pre-owned 2018 Ram 3500 that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the truck today just to show you some of the features and options that this truck has to offer. Starting with, it is in your red paint finish, accented by your blackout badging across the truck as well. As we come around towards the back here, you can see it is equipped with your tonneau cover. So a great accessory included for you there, help keep your gear, cargo kind of secured, well on the go. Your backup camera equipped, as you can see right there, as well as your rear park sensor. You can see your sensors there across that back bumper. As we come around towards the the passenger side as well, you can see you do have a set of running boards included. So again, another great accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Just to check out some of the features inside, so you do have your floor mats included both front and back. So again, another great little accessory included for you there. That back seat does have plenty of legroom for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. The seats themselves are a leather seat and offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers. In the back there as well, you do have your rear heated seats. Up top, you do have your power sunroof. And just to check out some of the features up front here, you do have your touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface, a lot of great features packed in there. So you do have access to, of course, all your audio media controls built in there. Your climate controls also accessible in through there as well. Access to the apps that are included, your heated ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, and of course your Bluetooth options. Just below that, again, access to your basic audio media controls, climate controls, trailer brake control, toggle your park sense features on and off, again, all your heated ventilated seats. In through your center console area, you do have a lot of space in there, keep things organized, well on the go. Your push button start just in behind. You do have your keyless entry, so you can see the key fob for the truck right here. Remote starts included, as you can see there. Your steering wheel mount to control, so you do have access to your cruise control options, Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on the left hand side. In behind the steering wheel, you do have access to your audio media controls, so you can easily keep your hand safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. All your power windows, locks, and side mirrors. And as you can see towards the center bottom of the screen, the unit does have 76,754 kilometers currently on it. But if you're looking for a step up in your next truck, something that offers great towing, hauling capabilities with that upgrade in features, this could be the truck for you. If you have questions about this 2018 Ram 3500, please feel free to give the team a call, 780-826-2999.